Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome to the Daily Flow Show. We're going with some high life today. We're going with some fun. Of course, I'm recording this on Monday for the Tuesday show. It's a beautiful day. I'm here with my son. We're out here on the Lost Spur golf course, so you're going to see a little bit of filming as we go. No judging my golfing as we go, or my son's for that matter. Yeah, we suck. So enjoy this show, and we will continue this in a little bit here. So watch as we go and enjoy the Lost Spur Egan golf course from our view. No judging. This is the first hit of the season, and we're starting right away with a marsh, and I'm guessing, statistically speaking, I'm going to hit that marsh. What's the probability I could put this over the water?
0.
Thanks, Sean. Woo! Bam! Right down the middle. All right, on to hole number 2. I did really awesome on that last hole. If I'm not mistaken, the goal is to get as high of a score as possible. So my 9 was actually really good. Doesn't that count like an eagle or something in golf? I'm not really sure, but it was not so good. And the sand trap hit, I had 2 out of the sand trap. So, but I hit the ball so hard. Look what I did to it. That's how much power I have. Yeah, that's what it's about. All right, today's student joke though, from hole number 2 at Lost Spur Egan Golf Course is from Abby Ostrom. Here's what it is. She says, "I have a math joke, but I am too squared to say it." Get it? Too squared, too scared. Abby, that's a good one. All right, here goes hole number 2. Now, is this really supposed to happen? My ball is that buried into the ground. How am I supposed to get that out? All right, on to hole number 3. Here we go. Last hole wasn't much better, but it's the first round, all right? And I'm not a golfer. I'm just out enjoying the weather. So, all right, this hole we're gonna have dad jokes. First dad joke. What kind of dog guards a vampire's castle? A bloodhound. Good. And the next one. Why were the grapes sent to bed early? They were starting to whine. All right. We got a special treat coming up here. Sean is going to do his version of Happy Gilmore. Let's see how well he does. All right, here we go. Happy Gilmore by Sean Flourish. Oh, man, he throws out his bag. Better try that one again. Oh.
That's really hard.
That might have hit a house, but it went really far. Hole number 4. We have some guests. We have a guest speaker for this one, and or a guest today, and that is Hudson Hughes. Take us away, Hudson.
1.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say I miss all of you guys. It's fun being in stats with Mr. Flo and the whole AP Stats gang. Thank you to Owen and Brady for nominating me. I mean, I'm not really doing too many things, the whole quarantine. I got to bring my friend Noah and Trevor up to my cabin with a beautiful view of Lake Superior. Right now we're standing on a big rock. You're really in quarantine when this is just awesome. You also know you're in quarantine when QB1's getting a little chunky on us. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing okay, everybody's staying safe. And I think I'm going to nominate Olivia Kramer and Sarah Charbonneau.
All right, thank you, Hudson, for those words, and that Lake Superior looked beautiful. All right, Olivia, Sarah, are you willing to take on the challenge and make a video, be guests on the Daily Flow Show? I hope so. As for the rest of you, anybody, you are welcome to make a guest appearance. Just make me a video. Send it my way. I'd love to have you on the Daily Flow Show. All right, coming to you from hole number 5. Birthdays this week. Happy birthday, Mo. Your birthday's on Wednesday, and happy birthday, Chloe. Yours is on Thursday. Wish we were in school to help you celebrate and grab some brain food for your birthdays. Happy birthday, you two. I hope you have a great week. All right, hole number 6. Sitting here waiting for our turn. All right, so next is get to know flow show time. All right, so I got 2 of them going, but here's the first one. What would I be if I wasn't a math teacher? This person says, you would be a talk show host, obviously, because you proved your skills through the Daily Flow Show. Obviously, I agree. Thank you very much. And then the question was, if you could travel any one place in the world, where would you go? I would say Greece, because of the history that surrounds that country. And I would also say Spain, where I could practice my Spanglish. I think Spain's a beautiful country, period. And then what is something that I might do that I don't necessarily know I do? Here's what this person says. Sometimes I catch you staring off into the distance for a second, and it's kind of funny. That's a good one. I have caught myself. That's sometimes because I'm trying to think, what's another way I can teach this that the students can understand? And so I stare off into no man's land like that's helping me somehow. I don't know if it's ever helping me, but I do catch myself staring off into no man's land. So thank you for that. All right, we're moving on to hole number 6. Wish us luck. Okay, Sean says, you know you're on quarantine when your baseball season gets canceled and all you can do is find yourself, instead of hitting the ball like a golf course, you decide that you want to throw it. Four. All right, here we go. We're moving on to the 7th hole. Game's starting to pick up. I got a par last hole. If it was a par 8, I got a par last hole. I'm just kidding. I got a 4, almost a par, but not quite. All right. So the next person asks, okay, the question is again, what would I be if I wasn't a math teacher? This person says, honorary member of the Harlem Globetrotters. Oh, hello. Why have they not invited me? That is so true. That is very good. Thank you. And I'll take my basketball skills over my golf skills any day. Thank you for that belief. And the question is a personal question. What would it be? Why did you choose to go into teaching, especially math? If you were to teach any other subject, what would you want to be? All right. Why did I go into teaching, especially math? I believed I could teach it in a hands-on way, and it wasn't tough for me, but it also, if you would show me an example and the realistic part of why we're doing the math, I would understand it much better. And I always thought I could teach it in that manner and do a good job of it. So that's why I got into teaching math. What other subject would I want to be? You know what? I don't think I would teach another subject. It would be math, or it would have been something else. I had also thought about being a cop, a businessman, and a computer person. And I just eventually decided I didn't want to be a cop. Number 2, I didn't want to sit in a cubicle. And number 3, I decided I liked everything that went with teaching, summers off, coaching, and making a difference. So that's why I ended up going into teaching. All right, hole number 8. I'm not gonna lie, my game's picking up. I parred the last hole. I'm telling you, it's getting better. Okay, so now let's talk about the assignments today. That's where we are finally. Stats, your job today is to work on the Unit 5 review video through Edpuzzle. It's 32 minutes long. It's longer, but we're getting into probability, which is a lot of things that you guys have questions on, and it's a great video and a good review. So I actually left it in as Edpuzzle, so you get points, but the points actually go in the quiz category to help your grades, and I feel it's that important. That is your assignment for today. I actually have it due in the grade book by Wednesday night, but that's your assignment for today. And then tomorrow you're going to be doing the Unit 5 Mom review. Same thing, it's due tomorrow night, but I actually have it in the grade book due Thursday night to give you that extra day if you need it to organize the rest of it. So that's what we're going to be doing for stats. We're going to pick up things a little bit. With Friday and Monday off, we're going to be losing some time, and we got to make sure that you're ready for this test. So if you have any questions, of course, let me know. That's what we're doing for stats. All right, last hole. Here we go. Tech math. This week you're going to be, or today you're going to be working on the 11.1 to 11.3 review packet, getting ready for the quiz. Tomorrow you're going to take that quiz. Thursday we're going to give you the day off. And then we want you to work on some things. Ooh, throw the club down. He did so good. We want you to work on getting caught up is our goal for you. All right? All right, that concludes everything for the Daily Flow Show for Tuesday. Everybody, have a great day. Thanks for joining me on the course.